On Wednesday 19th of October 2022, I uploaded a 9-minute video entitled Just for You in Search of Food. It was a funny video with captions that explained what each photo was supposed to depict. At least this was the intention and the theory of it. Today I found out that, horror of horrors, all of the captions were missing. A complete and utter Greek tragedy. You know, the sort of story where the son marries his mother, they have plenty of children together, and then all of a sudden their terrific error is revealed to them and they kill each other. At that point, all the gods of Olympus are very happy that justice has been served, and they go home and drink honey happily ever after. In my case, luckily, I was not chased by the gods of Olympus, but I was, how shall we say, somewhat embarrassed. Unfortunately, all of the captions have been lost, and so I cannot rectify this sad situation. Maybe, and this is a large maybe, you can play the video and mentally create your own captions. See if you can picture the funny side of things. Well, I'm sorry for this derailment, which I hope did not cause you too much inconvenience. I shall have to make another similar video in the future, this time with the captions firmly attached.